Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to put likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. First, friends, you will need to find on your iPhone and open a program called Locator. This is what it looks like. If you can't find it on your iPhone work screen, then swipe down from the top of the screen. You'll get a window like this. And in the search box, just type the word Locator. Once you find this app, open it. Next, you will need to go to the Devices section, like I have right now. And this is where you'll have your Apple Watch at the bottom. I don't have one, unfortunately, so I'm going to show you an example, a MacBook, how this method works, because it's a very similar method. You'll find your Apple Watch, click on it. The only thing you'll need to do is turn on the sound. Why? Because when you open your Apple Watch, you'll have a map here that will show you where your Apple Watch is, if it's anywhere near you. Then you can easily find it by turning on the sound, because the Apple Watch will start to make a distinctive loud sound, like an alarm clock, and you can find it. But let me tell you right away that when you turn on this sound feature, then automatically your Apple Watch will also lock up. And after you find them, you'll need to keep the password first, so that you can use your watch again. This is the quick method to find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, be sure to comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.